Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce portfolio inactivity with Betterment, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open the Betterment app on your device. Log into your account using your credentials. Once you're on the home page, navigate to your portfolio overview. Examine the current allocations in your portfolio. Identify any areas with significant inactivity or underperformance. Tap on the Invest or Adjust button on your screen. Choose Portfolio from the list to see options for allocation changes. Consider the recommended portfolio allocations based on your goals. If necessary, rebalance your portfolio by adjusting the percentages. Select the assets that you want to increase or decrease. Confirm your changes before proceeding. To encourage more activity, set up automatic contributions to your investment account. Navigate to the funding or autopilot settings within the app. Choose the amount and frequency for your automatic investments. Save your settings to ensure regular contributions. Set reminders to review your portfolio monthly or quarterly. Engage with the educational resources offered by Betterment to optimize your strategy. Regularly assess your financial goals to stay aligned with your objectives. By following these steps, you can effectively reduce portfolio inactivity with Betterment. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.